Lecture number 1. Manufacturing Engineering. The Manufacturing Industry. Mr. Sayed Sardorbek. Spring Semester 2020. Contents. 1. What is the manufacturing? 2. Purposes of manufacturing. 3. Global manufacture. 4. Manufacturing sectors. 5. Manufacturing engineering. Number 1. What is the manufacturing? Manufacturing can be defined as the conversion of raw materials into useful articles by means of physical labor or the use of power-driven machinery. In prehistoric times, cave dwellers found that if a piece of flint stone was struck with another stone, the flint could be turned into a sharp spearhead or arrowhead. They took the flint as their raw material and, by means of physical labor, converted it into something useful. They were manufacturing. By converting the useless piece of flint into a useful tool, they made it easier to defend themselves and to hunt for food in order to provide the tribe with its next meal. Manufacturing has come a long way since then. Today, although there are still many skilled craftsmen who make things by hand, the manufacturing industries that are of significant economic importance to the nation are usually large concerns employing hundreds and in some cases thousands of people. They need large buildings, complex machinery and major investments of capital. They increasingly market and sell their products not just in one country but around the world. Manufacturing as we understand it today began in what is called the Industrial Revolution. The UK was the first nation to undergo the change from a largely agricultural economy to full-scale industrialization. The foundations for this industrial revolution were laid in the 17th century by the expansion of trade, the accumulation of wealth and social and political change. This was followed in the 18th century by a period of great discoveries and inventions in the fields of materials, transportation, better roads, canals and railways, power sources, steam, and in the mechanization of production. Number 2. Purposes of manufacturing. Manufacturing is a commercial activity and exists for two purposes: to create wealth. There is no point in investing your money or other people's money in a manufacturing plant unless the return on the investment is substantially better than the interest that your money could earn in a savings account. To satisfy the demand, there is no point in manufacturing the product for which there is no market. Even if there is a market for demand, there is no point in manufacturing the product to satisfy that demand unless the product can be sold at a profit. Number 3. Global manufacture. You can see in the picture the global manufacture. Number 4. Manufacturing sectors. You can see in the picture the manufacturing sectors. Manufacturing takes many different forms. To make the industry easier to study, we will break it down into 6 main sectors. Number 5. Manufacturing engineering. You can see in the picture the manufacturing engineering sectors. Manufacturing engineering is very diverse and we need to divide it up into a number of subsectors in order to simplify. Summary. Please take a note this lecture to your draft. We will ask it. If you have any question, you can ask in our Telegram group. Follow the lectures. Thank you for watching.